The Law Philosopher here once again, and in this video we're going to see how to use the revision history within a Google Doc. Again, this can be applied to a Google spreadsheet or a Google presentation. So the first thing we're going to do again is opening up our document, and after we do this we're going to go to File, which is up here, and then we're going to go to See Revision History. We're going to click on that. And something similar to this in the right hand side is going to open up. Now, as you can see here, we have today, and all of these things that we've been doing have happened today. I can get rid of it by clicking on the X here and going back. Take note that you cannot edit the document as we're looking at the revision history. The second thing we need to take into consideration is going down here to the lower right hand corner. It says A, Show Changes, and then B, Show Less Detailed Revisions. This is not very useful, although you can click on it. If I do that, it's only going to give me just certain times within the document. If I go Show More Detailed Revisions, then this will give me each moment within the document that things have been changed. Now, what's nice about this is that I can actually see exactly when something was changed and at what hour. So I can go, for example, down here. It will go back and it will present to me the document. Now, sometimes you're not going to see any type of serious revisions, which is fine. But here, for example, we made a big change. In the case of, we took out all of the capital thes and we switched them with lowercase thes. And it will tell me exactly what happened and at the hour that it happened at. As you can see, that Philosophia here is in green, and that means the corrections that this person did will be in green. Whereas if I go down here, sometimes you're going to have to wait. Down here, as you can see, Juan Hernandez is in pink, and his correction will be here as well in pink. So it's very nice because I can see of all the collaborators who did what at what time. The last thing here that's very interesting is that I have the possibility of going back to this version here of the document. It says restore this revision. So let's say later on somebody did something wrong. I can always go all the way back to this one and restore it as if it was the most recent version of the document, which is very nice. So if I click on this, it's going to bring all of the document back here to its original state. So all of these things are very, very interesting in relationship to the revision history. Going back to this. Okay, so we have 955 this, or I can go back here and restore this version. And now we have the newer element here. So I can go back and forth to the revisions to make sure I have the best document possible. Finally, just a quick reflection in regards to this, especially for those who have people editing these documents. The very good thing about this is I can find out who did what, and to make sure, above all, that they finished, for example, on time. If a student needs to turn something in, I can always go to the revision history and to see if they actually finished at the time that I asked them to finish. So all of these are very good possibilities when we're using the revision history option here in Google Drive. Again, I underline, this is the same option that we have both in Google Spreadsheets and Google Presentations, so you can go there and also take advantage of it there. Thank you very much.